So continue. Pilot lit gas stove and ovens. So as a pilot lit, so as been, it's old style, but these pilots are actually very cautious, right? Because there is no ignition, right? You just open gas and it started burning from fire, from pilot. Okay. So it's like you extending the light, the fire, extend the fire. Gas ranges and ovens are often equipped with a pilot light, which serves to ignite the flame in a burner or oven. If the appliance of this type, one may turn a new flame on Yom Tov, since it's really one igniting a new fire from an existing pilot light, right? So because the pilot's light it's always on, and sometimes it's very dangerous when like with these pilot lights, they don't take too much gas, but the danger is if they go bad, like go off, the gas will start escaping. That's dangerous, right? And plus it's like even it's a tiny flame, but still adds, because it warms up the metal and constantly, so it's like around the stove it's always hot. Okay, but as he's saying, it's the most kosher way, right? Because you just enlarge this existing fire. Ovens that have no pilot must be lit manually and must be cannot lit with a match in ordinary fashion, since it is forbidden to strike match on Yom Tov. However, one may light a match by putting it in next to the flame, right? And the flame is usually yard-side candles, and use the ignited match to light the stove. So that's how we explain. So we always buy, I don't know, like 5, 10, 20 this or the yard-side candles. Sometimes you need only for one day. For example. What would be the example for a first day of holidays, right? So you don't need two-day candle. So you need only candle. So it would burn like it says 26 hours, but when you buy a good brand, it's going to 28 and 29 hours. That's it's going to burn much more. 26. Yeah, I think it says 26 or 2. Right, but for sure more, right? For sure, that's a good brand, they burn more. But like cheaper brands, they can like stop at exactly 24 hours, and it's not a good idea. Or 25 hours. Sometimes 25 hours is not enough, because why? Because you accepted Yom Tov early. That's the thing. I mean, you're allowed to accept. Not always, but in some cases, right? Start early, like at least light the candles. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, and it burns, right? So meaning you after the first day ends, you need to light the candles, and that's it. And technically, you don't need the fire any longer. So you just let it finish. But when the second day is a yard side, that's the thing. So sometimes we'll light like one from another candle, but most likely in most cases we just buy a bigger candle, like 48 hours. Okay, it says 48 hours, but it burns more. Okay, no problem. So again, we don't create new light, but from pre-existing light.